Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can change your WhatsApp mobile number if you're going to move from one country to another or you're going to change a mobile. So for this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now after opening the WhatsApp, you will see this home page. So you have to click on the setting icon on the right corner. Now you can see a key icon which is named as account. Tap on it. And after this, you can see a written on here change number. Tap on it. Yeah, it's saying that use change number to migrate your account info groups and setting from your current phone number, blah blah blah. You're going to tap on next. Enter your mobile number. And for example, you're going to another country and want to change the code there. Click on the country you're currently. For example, I'm going to select Cuba. Now enter your phone number here, which you want to change with, and tap on next. If you want to change the number and want your contacts to be notified, you can click on this option notify contacts and tap on the done. That's it. That's how you can change your mobile number from one to another.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.